As you can see, it's a snow day. So we're bored hanging out in our PJs and we decided to build something. So we took this ordinary Harbor Freight furniture dolly and we're building a frame up, getting ready to put a shelf on it, and it's actually going to be a little roll around device to hold our portable dishwasher. And then so we'll have that on wheels. We'll take the dishwasher that's currently on the counter over there, as you can see, free up some counter space and move it under the stairs. We just built this little addition by our fireplace, and we'll slide the dishwasher in there when we're not using it on that little cart. Pretty cool. Some extra tongue and groove hanging around, so we decided to do up our cool little cart with some tongue and groove. We'll see how it looks when it's all done. Finishing up the back side of the cart, tongue and groove. Still snowing. We got batteries getting cold. It is 34 degrees out there. Well, the snow has stopped, but it's still kind of cold. So we took the time to go ahead and finish up our little project from yesterday. As you can see, we got it all tongue and grooved around the sides. We're going to trim it out a little bit so it isn't too tacky looking anyway. But that's it. The inside floor too, but we left those straight. Just more or less a shelf. So anyway, a one-day project. Pretty cool.